we're going to wire up our servo into our Arduino. To do that, we're going to, of course, need our Arduino breadboard, a servo, some male header pins, and some wires. First, let's connect our power and ground on our Arduino. So I'm going to go from my 5 volts over to my red line and my ground over to my blue line. I'm then going to take my male header pins and I'm going to break off 3, which I've already done here. And I'm going to slide the little spacer into the middle, and that will allow me to place it on the end of my servo here. I'm going to place my servo in, and now we'll take power and ground over to it. Something to know is on a servo, the red wire is your power wire, whether it is an orange, red, brown like this, or a white, red, black. So red is power, your lightest color is going to be your signal, and your brown or black is going to be your ground. And so, let's head our red wire in there, and our black wire for our ground. So our last thing is we need to take the signal wire, our orange, over to a pin here. And we must use a PWM pin. And so what we'll see there is that there's little tildes in front of each of the numbers, and those are the ports that are able to control a servo. And so I'm going to use 9. So I'm going to go from 9 right over to my signal wire. And then I'll be able to connect this up to my computer through the printer cable or USB 2 and be able to control my servo.